Welcome. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how to install Sage 50 Accounting. Whether you're updating from a previous year's version or installing Sage 50 on a new computer or one without a previous year's version installed, this video covers the process. Before you begin, make sure you have the requirements for your installation scenario. If you're updating from a previous year's version of Sage 50, you'll need an internet connection to download the latest release and a Windows computer that meets the current Sage 50 system requirements. If you're installing Sage 50 on a new computer or one without a previous year's version installed, you'll need a Windows computer that meets the current Sage 50 system requirements, an internet connection, and your activation information, including your serial number, account ID, and activation key. Sage typically sends your activation information by email. If you need help locating your activation information, you can contact Sage customer support and request that the email be resent. If you don't have your activation information yet, you can still install Sage 50 as a trial version. You'll need to activate Sage 50 within 30 days. When you're ready to begin, you can start the installation from within Sage 50 if you're updating an existing installation, or from a download link if you're installing on a new computer or one without the previous version installed. Now, let's walk through the installation steps. First, let's look at the process when you are updating from a previous year's version. In Sage 50, select Help. Then, select Check for product updates. Depending on your update settings, the new version may already be downloaded. This message indicates that the new version has been downloaded and is ready to install. Close Sage 50 to start the installation. Then, select Install Now. Before continuing, let's also review the installation path for a new computer or a computer without a previous version installed. To download the new version, open a web browser and go to the Sage 50 Canada Welcome Center. On this page, under Existing Customers, select Download and install the product. Then, select Download Product and Payroll Updates. Under Most Recent Version, select Download the latest version of Sage 50 Canadian Edition. The Sage Download portal opens in a new window. Scroll down and select Download Sage 50 Canadian Edition Full Product. When the download is complete, run the downloaded file to start the installation. The next steps are similar whether you downloaded Sage 50 from a previous version or from a download link. Depending on your computer settings, you may see a message asking whether you want to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Select Yes to continue. The Sage 50 installation wizard saves the installation files on your computer. Select Next to confirm the default location, or select Browse if you want to choose a different location. If you choose a different location, select the folder you want. Then, select Next. After the files are saved, the installation can begin. Select Install Sage 50 to continue. Select English or French. Then, select OK. If a message appears indicating that an update has been detected on your computer, you can choose how to proceed. To pause the installation, select No. Install any pending updates, restart your computer, and then resume the Sage 50 installation. To continue installing Sage 50 now, select Yes. The End-User License Agreement appears next. Review the license agreement and select the option to accept the terms. Then, select Next. The Sage Support Resource Center provides quick access to helpful resources, including the knowledge base, product help, and downloads. Select Next to continue. If Windows Firewall is enabled on this computer, you may be prompted to configure it automatically. Select Yes to configure Windows Firewall automatically. Or select No to configure Windows Firewall manually later. Then, select Next. Next, select the installation type. For most customers, Typical is the recommended option. Use Advanced if you need a server-only installation, want to change where the program is installed, or want to choose which program components to install. For this demonstration, select Typical. Then, select Next. If a previous version of Sage 50 was installed on this computer and you're entitled to the latest version, the installation may retrieve your serial number automatically. Select Install to continue, or select No Thanks to enter your serial number manually. If you selected No Thanks, or if the installation did not retrieve your serial number automatically, you'll be prompted to enter your serial number. Type or copy and paste your 14-character serial number into the serial number field. If you don't have a serial number and want to install a trial version of Sage 50, select I will install the 30-day trial version for now. For this demonstration, enter the serial number. Then, select Install. The installation may take several minutes to complete. When the process is complete, a confirmation screen appears. Select the option to open Sage 50. Then, select Finish. If Sage 50 did not retrieve your activation information automatically, you'll be prompted to activate your program. Enter or confirm your company name, serial number, account ID, and activation key. Once activation is successful, the new version of Sage 50 opens. You've successfully installed Sage 50 Accounting. To continue learning, visit Sage University for additional Sage 50 training topics and resources. You can also visit the Sage 50 Canada Year-End Center for free resources to help you prepare for year-end. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic.